At this bed. Do you think it's tidy? I don't think so. Let's make it tidy. Oh. Start by taking the bits off the bed. You can help your family and do this by yourself. The pillows on the floor. It won't take long. Let's make them straight. Pull the cover up right to the edge. Oh, it might take some time, but it will look lovely and straight and tidy. Oh, pillow number 2. Nice and straight. Don't forget the pillows on the floor. That's 1. That's 2. But what's missing? I know what's missing. Your favourite toy. Ready for bed. Now this is a lovely, tidy bed, and you can do it yourself. Let's try this week for you to tidy your bed every day. Thank you.